Hi, I wanted to share a practice of protection that you can do to put yourself inside of Lakshmi's 9 circles of rainbow light. And the way that you do this protection is to find your goddess legs, nice and strong, rooted to the earth. And then you take your left hand, your receiving hand, and I do the mudra of the 3 worlds, so the 3 fingers pointing to the heavens. And then with my right hand, which sends energy, I visualize each color of the rainbow. So starting with red, I'm going to visualize that red light in a circle. And then when I reach the bottom, I spin the light and I anchor it down into the earth. So it anchors that red light of Lakshmi energy protection around me. And then you go through all the colors of the rainbow up to purple. And then I go to like a pink and then a white to do the 9 circles of protection. Aim kleem sreem maha Lakshmi anya namaha. 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 So it's a very powerful practice. It really charges up your legs. It helps you feel really grounded if you're feeling anxious and unsettled during this time. It's a good practice to feel connected to the earth and then to walk through your day with rainbows of light and protection all around you. So enjoy this practice. Many blessings. Namaste.